Welcome to this comprehensive video where we will explore 15 profitable machines that can boost the success of your business. We know that choosing the right equipment is crucial to a company's growth and profitability. Whether you're starting a small business or looking to expand your operations, these machines will give you a competitive edge in the marketplace and improve the efficiency of your production. From industrial equipment to specialized tools, we'll discover how these machines can take your business to the next level. Without further ado, let's start our tour of these valuable machinery options. 1. Digital printing machine. Digital printing has revolutionized the graphic industry, offering greater flexibility and quality in the reproduction of images and texts. A digital printing machine will allow you to produce marketing materials, posters, brochures, and labels quickly and with high resolution. This will allow you to offer personalized and fast printing solutions to your customers, which can be a competitive differential in the market. In addition, you will be able to print materials on demand, which will reduce inventory costs and paper waste. 2. Laser cutting and engraving machine. A laser cutting and engraving machine is a versatile tool that can be used in various industries. With this machine, you'll be able to accurately cut and engrave materials like wood, acrylic, leather, fabric, and more. This will allow you to create personalized, high-quality products, which can improve brand perception and attract more customers. In addition, laser cutting is a non-contact process, which reduces the possibility of damage to materials and allows complex and detailed cuts to be made. 3. Embroidery machine. If your business is related to the manufacture or customization of garments, an embroidery machine can be an excellent investment. With this machine, you will be able to add custom designs and logos to garments and accessories, which will increase the perceived value of your products and attract customers interested in the exclusive. Embroidery also adds an artisanal and high-quality touch to products, which can help you stand out in the market. 4. CNC cutting machine. The CNC computer numerical control cutting machine is an indispensable tool for the manufacturing industry and working with materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. With this machine, you will be able to make precise and complex cuts according to previously programmed designs, which will increase the efficiency and precision of your production. In addition, CNC cutting will allow you to work with different materials and produce identical product consistently. 5. Bag and packaging manufacturing machine. If your business focuses on the production of packaging and containers, a bag and container manufacturing machine will allow you to produce them quickly and efficiently. This machine can create bags and containers of different sizes and shapes, which will help you meet the specific needs of your customers and offer attractive packaging solutions. In addition, you can use different materials for packaging, such as paper, plastic, or fabric, which will give you varied options for different products. 6. Paper products manufacturing machine. If you are interested in recycling and sustainability, a recycled paper product manufacturing machine can be an interesting option for your business. This machine will allow you to convert used paper into recycled products, such as toilet paper, napkins, or cardboard, which will help you reduce material costs and contribute to the care of the environment. Making recycled paper products can also be an excellent marketing strategy, as more and more customers value the use of sustainable materials. 7. Hot stamping machine. A hot stamping machine is useful for adding designs, logos, or text to various materials, such as paper, cardboard, leather, and fabric. This can be especially valuable in the production of personalized products, such as greeting cards, books, and leather products. Hot stamping adds a stylish and professional touch to products, which can increase their value and appeal to customers. 8. Screen printing machine. Screen printing is a versatile and durable printing method used in the production of t-shirts, posters, labels, and more. A screen printing machine will allow you to print designs with vibrant and durable colors, which can help differentiate your products in the market. In addition, screen printing allows you to print on different types of materials, such as fabric, paper, plastic, and metal, which expands the possibilities of design and customization. 9. Glass container making machine. If your business focuses on the beverage or packaged goods industry, A glass container manufacturing machine can be a valuable investment. This machine will allow you to produce glass bottles and containers of different shapes and sizes, which will help you offer attractive and high-quality products to your customers. Glass is a durable and recyclable material, which can also be a plus point in attracting sustainability-conscious customers. 10. Metal cutting machine. If you work with metals in your business, a metal cutting machine can be an essential tool for making precise and clean cuts on different types of metals. This machine will allow you to create metal parts and components with high precision, which can be valuable in the manufacture of industrial or custom products. In addition, cutting metals with this machine is faster and more efficient than manual methods, which will increase the productivity of your business. 11. Plastic products manufacturing machine. A plastic product manufacturing machine will allow you to produce a wide variety of products, from toys to industrial pots. With this machine, you can inject plastic into molds to create objects with specific shapes and sizes. This gives you the possibility to diversify your product offer and cater to different market segments. In addition, plastic is a versatile and durable material, making it a popular choice for a wide range of products. 12. Biodegradable bag making machine. With the increasing focus on sustainability, the demand for biodegradable bags has increased significantly. The biodegradable bag making machine will allow you to produce environmentally friendly bags, which will help you attract environmentally conscious customers. These bags are an excellent alternative to conventional plastic bags as they break down naturally without causing harm to the environment.
13. Ice cream and popsicle making machine. If you're interested in the food and beverage industry, an ice cream and popsicle making machine can be an attractive option. This machine will allow you to produce ice cream and popsicles quickly and efficiently, which can be especially valuable in times of high demand during the summer or special events. Making ice cream and popsicles can be a lucrative business, as these products are popular with people of all ages.
14. A vacuum packaging machine. A vacuum packaging machine is useful for preserving fresh food and produce longer. If your business is related to the food or perishable products industry, this machine will allow you to increase the shelf life of your products and reduce waste. Vacuum packaging is an effective technique to preserve the quality and freshness of food, which can increase the satisfaction of your customers and improve the reputation of your business. 15. Wood products manufacturing machine. If you work with wood in your business, a wood products manufacturing machine will allow you to create a wide variety of items, from furniture to decorative items. With this machine, you will be able to cut, carve, and shape wood accurately and efficiently, which can help you offer unique and personalized products to your customers. Wood is a warm and durable material, which makes it a popular choice for products of high quality and aesthetic value. In short, investing in profitable machines can be a smart strategy to boost the growth and success of your business. These 15 options presented are just some of the many possibilities that exist in the market. Carefully evaluate your needs and resources to choose the machines that best suit your business. Remember that business success doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort, planning, and informed decision-making. With a clear vision and a well-defined strategy, these profitable machines can become fundamental pillars to take your business to the next level. We hope that this video has been useful and has provided you with a broader vision of the possibilities that exist in the world of profitable machines to start or expand your business. We wish you much success in your business venture. Subscribe and like the video